Hi, I'm Rob, and today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell EOS accounts directly with other users on the EOS blockchain using the brand new beta version of the ENS marketplace. Let's get started. Now, first up, I'm going to show you how to sell your EOS account directly on the EOS name service marketplace. And before we get started, there are a couple of important things you need to know. First, any tokens that are in your account when it is sold will automatically be transferred to the person that buys your account, so be sure, absolutely sure, that you transfer out your tokens before you list your account for sale. In addition, it's important to note that you will need to disable the scatter firewall to allow you to approve the update auth action. You can do this by going into your settings in Scatter, clicking on Firewall, and hitting Remove next to the blacklisted action for Update Auth. This will enable you to update the keys on your account to the ENS Marketplace contract keys and list your account for sale. But don't worry, if you want to cancel, you can cancel your sale at any time and return the ownership of the account back to you. And of course, if you have an older version of Scatter that doesn't have Firewall, then you can skip this step entirely. Now that we're ready to sell our account on the ENS Marketplace, all you need to do is log in with Scatter using the owner key on the account that you want to sell. Once you log in, you simply click the Sell an Account button, fill in the EOS account name that you want to sell, the EOS account for payment. This is the account that will receive the EOS funds once that account sells, so make sure this is an account that you still have control over and are not selling actively. And of course, you can put in the amount. In this case, I'm going to list this account for 53 EOS. Then all you have to do is click Sell Account and approve the transaction from Scatter. Once that's done, you'll see your account down here listed for sale with the price you set, along with your name as the seller. So if you see a name that you want to buy that's listed for sale by another user, all you have to do is this. Simply click on the cart icon under Buy of the name that you want to purchase. You'll see this pop up, and the EOS account name and the price will be automatically filled in for you. All you need to do is paste in your new EOS owner key that you can take from your existing account or generate in a secure wallet like Scatter. You paste that in, click Buy Account, approve the transaction pop-up, and boom, just like that, the brand new custom EOS account name is transferred from the original seller over to you. It really is easy, and we're super excited to bring the ENS Marketplace to all of our users today. And remember, if there's a name that you don't see listed for sale by another user on the EOS Name Service Marketplace, check out eosnameservice.io, the homepage, and search for a brand new custom name. We can't wait to see what all of you think of this new beta version of the EOS Name Service Marketplace, and we are super excited to be able to bring it to you today. And remember, if you have any questions, simply click on the Support tab at the top of the website or email support@eosnameservice.io. We'll do our best to respond to you right away and make sure that your issue is resolved. But until next time, remember, head on over to eosnameservice.io/marketplace, list your EOS account names for sale or buy a few that are listed already, and of course, go EOS!